What's going on? This is your boy B, where the truth lives here. On this episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to take care of your beard all summer long. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Let's go. Now, the summer season is equally joyful as well as frustrating when it comes to our beard. It's getting dry, it's gonna be humid, people gonna be sweating, you go see family, you go see friends, and there is a lot more to do. But before you think about cutting off your beard, let me share with you 5 things that you can do this summer. Number 1, reduce or eliminate using heating tools on your beard. It's already gonna be hot, so do not add fuel to the fire. Now, I'm not saying don't use it, of course. You know, if you gotta use it, use it. Do your thing. But if you can just remove it, then it's gonna help you. If not, minimize it as much as you can. Number 2, hydrate, 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 hydrate. It's very essential to apply a hydrating topical leave-in beard conditioner on your beard. And it's also very essential to hydrate within. This summer is going to be necessary. So number 3, the third thing that you want to do this summer is you want to deep condition your beard. You're going to thank me later. It's going to boost the shine. It's going to enhance the softness. And not only that, it's going to eliminate the frizz. I'm telling you, you're gonna thank me later. So what you wanna do is you wanna put the conditioner on, right? You can use my beard conditioner. You can leave it in for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Put the shower cap on, and you can do this like on a Sunday, like a lazy day. And I guarantee your beard is gonna be superb, all right? You can try my beard conditioner. The link is in the description. And number 4, you're going to the beach, you're going to the pool. There's some rules. Before you get into the pool, make sure you run your beard with some cold water. Then you wanna seal it, get you a beard oil. Then after you come from the beach, after you get out of the pool, you want to condition it with a beard conditioner. You know, you can use my beard conditioner. Then you want to hydrate it, right? Then you want to either seal it or lock it in. That part, okay? And then number 5, you want to do a cold wash, which means condition only wash. It's going to be sweaty this summer. A lot of people are going to be perspiring. There's going to be some people stinking, right? There's gonna be a lot of stuff happening, and you wanna keep your beard in tip-top shape, and you want it to be looking great. So you can do the co-wash in between your washes. It gives you a much more gentler wash, but it keeps you fresh. It keeps you fresh all day. So make sure you go ahead, in the description, the link, you'll be able to find the My Beard Conditioner, and you can use that as your co-wash. Well, I hope everyone have an amazing summer, right? Go out there, be joyful, spend time with people that you love. Hit that notification bell, hit the subscription. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, leave your comments. And this is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. And we out.